MSZ have sent me these 4 cars and I'm going to do an unboxing and review. Starting with the Audi RS5 Racing 2017 in a 1/64 scale. And we can also see that they are active on social media, YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. So you can contact them if you want. They got a barcode and article number right here. And it's also a licensed product. That is what we like, and we see working suspension and rolling wheels. Okay, that's already a good start. Another thing that you need to know, this is for the collectors in the Netherlands. These are pretty soon available at the Toychamp. So that's also for the collectors in Belgium, because the Toychamp is in Belgium and the Netherlands. That's pretty good news, because I can tell you these cars are okay. Let's start with Audi first. So we got a metal base, very good rolling wheels, painted rear lights, nice spoiler made out of plastic, Audi logo here in front, painted front lights. Yep, suspension. And we got a plastic base with normal screws, 1/64 scale. Let's have a look at the interior. I think interior is also important. Oh, that steering wheel is a little bit weird. There is definitely room for improvement here at the steering wheel. With the technique from nowadays, it's not necessary to have a steering wheel like that. So yeah, MSZ, room for improvement. One bucket seat there on the left side, driver's seat. But I like the looks of this car. Definitely not bad at all. But the steering wheel, nah. Okay, let's go to the next one. BMW M4 in a nice olive green color. And barcode and article number for the ones who are interested. Officially licensed, yes. I like the rims. We have the base, plastic base with some details. Base is okay. There is room for a license plate. We got the exhaust right here, painted rear lights. Front looks nice, and we got BMW M4 on the license plate. Let's see how the interior looks here. Yeah, pretty much the same steering wheel right here. And that's a little bit of a bummer, I think. But for the rest, yeah, just like the Audi, the car is okay. Ford GT 2017. I like the packaging, but it would be cool if every package had the picture of the car that's inside on it. But that's just my opinion. Nice black rims, I like that. Dude is fan of black rims, especially in combination with the red color. We got a Ford logo right here. Some engine details in the back. Same thing with the steering wheel. Definitely needs an improvement. And then the last one, Lamborghini Hurricane STO. A nice blue color. Almost forgot to mention, all these models have side mirrors. That's a big plus. Lamborghini logo. Looking good. So yes, all the cars are looking okay in my opinion. Definitely needs a better interior, and then I'm talking about the steering wheel, because the rest is good. Okay, let me know what you think about these models. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, and I will see you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.